In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Squarespace site for mobile viewing efficiently and effectively. As we all know, with an increasing number of people accessing websites on their mobile devices, ensuring your website looks great and functions properly on smaller screens is more important than ever. Let's start by diving into the mobile view in Squarespace. After you've put together a stunning design on your desktop, it's time to switch to the mobile view within the Squarespace editor. This crucial step helps you visualize how your site will appear on mobile devices and pinpoint any potential issues right from the get-go. Once you're in the mobile editor, you'll need to adjust and rearrange elements. One of the amazing features of Squarespace is the ability to drag and resize elements specifically in the mobile view. This means that even if something looks perfect on desktop, you can fix any mobile-specific issues like stacked content or misaligned buttons directly in this editor. This flexibility ensures your content remains visually appealing and easy to navigate, regardless of the device being used. Next, focus on adjusting your text and buttons. One of the key factors for a mobile-friendly website is readability and ease of navigation. You'll want to increase the font size where necessary to ensure the text is easy to read. Also, don't forget the buttons. Make sure they are large enough to be tapped easily. Aim for a 44-pixel tap area to make sure users can interact with them without frustration. Now, when it comes to creating white space on your mobile site, avoid using spacer blocks. Unlike on desktop, spacer blocks are hidden on mobile devices, which means they're not effective for creating the visual separation you might be seeking. Instead, utilize the padding on individual elements to establish the right amount of white space. This approach allows you to control the spacing and keep your layout clean and professional. If you find that a section of your site feels too tall, reduce the white space by adjusting its height in the editor. This will prevent unnecessary scrolling and improve the overall viewing experience. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how user-friendly your site feels. After carefully optimizing each section for mobile, consider saving these sections as favorites. Doing so allows you to reuse these mobile-optimized sections throughout your site, maintaining consistency and saving you time down the road. With your settings intact, deploying these selections elsewhere becomes effortless. Last but not least, testing. Use the mobile preview in Squarespace to see how your changes hold up. But remember, simulators can sometimes miss nuances, so it's always a good idea to test your site on actual mobile devices. This gives you first-hand experience of how your users will interact with your site and helps you catch issues that might not be obvious in the preview. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to ensuring your Squarespace site is optimized for mobile devices. By following these steps, you're not just meeting the technical requirements, but enhancing the overall user experience, which is what ultimately keeps visitors engaged and coming back for more.